Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching the Telegram series, Part N. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share your Telegram group link and invite people to join. To get started, open your Telegram app first. Then, click on the group you want to share. Now, click on the profile of the group. You will see the pencil icon there. Click on this. It will take you to this space where you can see the options divided into 3 groups. In the third group, you can see the option that says Invite Links. Click on it, and this is the link. You can also copy it or directly click on the Share option to share it with your friends. Then, you can choose any one of the social media platforms to share this link. When the person gets this link, they will click on it, and the link will guide them to this group. So, this is how you share a Telegram group link. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.